Hey everyone, I'm Heinz and welcome to my channel. And in this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Perceptrader AI, which is the latest offering from ValleryTrading. The Perceptrader AI is showing great results on both the backtest and signals, so we're going to take a closer look. But before we begin, I want to ask you for a quick favor. Please take a moment to hit the like button on this video and also subscribe to my channel. Now, firstly, I like to start off by doing research about the specific expert advisor, and I found the version available on both the MQL5 marketplace and on ValleryTrading website. Now, the thing that really stood out for me when I first started exploring this EA and the Waka Waka EA is that the signal for the Perceptrader AI shows a very low drawdown over the last 48 months of trading. If we take a look at the specific signal, which is the unique mode no limits with the AI filter, you'll see that it is up currently 229% growth with a 17% drawdown. This means from an initial deposit of $5,000 and is currently up a profit of 11,243 and sitting at an equity of 8,200 with an $8,000 withdrawal. Now, one of the first things that I like to do is I like to cross-check these older signals against signals on the MyFXbook website. And the same as we did with some of the previous bots, I like to see if all of the information matches. And you'll see it shows a slightly higher drawdown on the MyFXbook website. Then when we look at when the bot was started in 2019 and compare the first month of August, you'll see a 4.06% return, which is the same on the MQL5 website. On top of this, I often search through the website looking for other signals that are available for me to look at, and specifically what pairs they are trading and potentially what grid they are using. The two signals that I found showed also very similar drawdowns, all below 30% on different account balances. The set file that I like the most is the unique mode low risk set file, which is available on Valerie's trading website. To get access to the bots and the different things, they do offer a 14-day trial and a 30-day money back guarantee, meaning you can test it with no risk. Now, what I'll be doing is I've downloaded the demo version and the unique set file that is available. And what you'll see from the website, there is a lot of additional information that you can go and take a look at. But basically, it uses some of the same grid techniques that we saw in the Waka Waka EA and combines it with a market forecasting technique that is based on chatgpt and baard. Next, let's take a look at some of the testing results that I've been able to get using the different set files available on the ValleryTrading website. Now, for the first test, I used a balance of 10,000 on the AUD CAD on the 5-minute time frame, which is the recommended pair and time frame from the 10th of January 2022 until the end of October 2023, using the most accurate data, which is every tick based on real ticks. Now, under the settings for the expert advisor, there is a multitude of different options. However, because they provide you with a set file, it's very easy to test on your own. You'll see it has some prop trading or FTMO limits, including daily drawdown and maximum drawdown. And then you can also adjust the mode for trade setups. On this set file, which is the unique trade one, you'll see that it uses a trading frequency of 6 and also combines an ATR period filter on top of that. One of the most interesting aspects of the Expert Advisor is its market forecast function, which uses chatgpt forecast and baard forecast to keep you out of those tricky situations. Now, the test that I did from January until October 2023, and I did do multiple tests on different periods and, of course, different balances to see how the quantity of winning rate compares with each other. What we'll notice is that it did a 19% return with a 6.19% drawdown, which is really impressive for a grid trading bot. It had a very healthy profit factor of 1.85 and an average win rate of 67.62%. Something interesting is that the average win and average lose are also very close to each other, which shows a very healthy return for such a grid trading bot. On top of this, I did a few different tests, changing when it started and when it stopped, and different balances to see if we could compare the results and if there is similarity or if something stands out. Now, this is again on a $10,000 balance, but starting in January of 2022 until the end of October 2023. You'll notice the profit is $596.06, and the drawdown is very similar to what we saw before at only 7%. The same can be said for the average win rate, which is 65.94, and the average win and average loss has the same comparison as before. The other two tests that I did for the expert advisor was again on different balances to see how it performs using the low risk set file. The reason is I want to see how it adapts to the balance total and what size lots it is using. So for this test, it's again from the start of January until the end of October 2023, and we'll see a lot of similarities in the win rate and also the profit and loss ratio. It is important that we compare these different factors against each other so that the bot isn't placing some large trades in the background that we are not aware of. As always, when it comes to grid trading, there is an inherent risk involved that can be showing you very big drawdown if something unexpected happens in the market. However, doing this multitude of different tests, it gives us a good idea of where we can see the equity drawdown heading and what type of profit factor and win-loss rate the bot is able to achieve. This we can then incorporate with smart money management and risk management to potentially also have a signal trading for multiple months. Now, while doing the research for the expert advisor, I noticed on their website, which is the ValleryTrading, that you can get the expert advisor for both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 at the same time. This means if you decide to upgrade from the one trading platform to the other, that you can still use the same expert advisor. In the client area, they provide you with multiple set files to test. So let me know how your testing gets on and your thoughts about the expert advisor. As always, it's recommended to trade these types of expert advisors with a virtual private server so that you are connected to the market 24/7, 7 days a week. With that, guys, I want to say thank you for watching. Until next time, happy trading. Bye.